Welcome back to my channel Techno Trend Zone, your ultimate destination for the latest in camera news, tech rumors, deep dive reviews, and creative content designed to keep you ahead of the curve in the world of digital imaging. Today, we're diving into one of the most anticipated upcoming full-frame mirrorless cameras from Sony, the Sony A7V. If you've been using or following the Sony A7 series, this is the video you absolutely need to watch until the very end. The Sony A7V is on the horizon while we're still working with the incredibly capable Sony A7 IV, a camera that has served professionals, hybrid shooters, YouTubers, and filmmakers alike since its release in 2021. Sony seems ready to evolve its mid-range mirrorless lineup once again. And if the leaks, rumors, and logical trends within Sony's ecosystem are anything to go by, the Sony A7V is shaping up to be a serious upgrade rather than just a minor refresh. What we know so far, release window and price expectations. So let's start with the few things that appear to be almost confirmed. Release date. According to consistent reports from trusted sources, the Sony A7V is likely to launch sometime between July and October 2025. However, based on Sony's traditional release cycle and past trends, many believe that October 2025 is the most probable timeframe. Price. Another near-confirmed detail is the expected price, coming in around $3,000. That's about $500 more than the Sony A7 IV at launch, and in line with Sony's strategy of incrementally pushing price points upward with each generation, while delivering enhanced performance and new features. Why it's more than just an incremental upgrade. Based on insider chatter and leaks, Sony seems to be taking the A7V seriously. The camera isn't just being positioned as a modest improvement, but as a substantial leap forward. Think of it as a hybrid between their more premium offerings like the Sony A1 II and the accessible yet powerful A7 IV. Let's explore what that could realistically mean in terms of specs, features, and performance. Rumored specifications. Sony A7V sneak peek. Let's go over the rumored and speculative specs that might just define the Sony A7V. Sensor technology. Expect either a 33MP partially stacked sensor or a non-stacked 44MP full-frame sensor. A stacked sensor would significantly improve readout speeds, rolling shutter control, and burst shooting, but even a well-optimized 44MP non-stacked sensor could deliver serious image quality gains. Burst shooting and speed. Anticipated support for up to 20 frames per second continuous shooting, putting it well ahead of the A7 IV's performance and offering exciting possibilities for action and sports photographers. Video capabilities. 4K video lovers, listen up. The Sony A7V is heavily rumored to offer 4K 120fps recording, ideally with no crop or at least minimal crop, a significant step up from the A7 IV's 4K 60 with a 1.5x crop. This would be a game changer for content creators and cinematographers. Improved heat management. Sony may not opt for an active cooling fan in the A7V to preserve its compact form factor, but a new internal heat dissipation design or AI-driven thermal management software might help curb overheating during long shoots. Battery efficiency and power handling. While not much has been confirmed, expect improvements in battery optimization, better USB-C power delivery support, and longer recording times, especially during 4K shoots. AI autofocus and processing engine. We're almost certain the A7V will feature the dedicated AI processing unit seen in newer models like the Sony A6700 and ZV-E1. This enables smarter autofocus, improved subject tracking, and scene recognition, making the camera far more responsive and intelligent in demanding environments. EVF and LCD upgrades. The electronic viewfinder is expected to receive a noticeable resolution boost, probably around 5.76 m dots or higher. And like the Sony A1 Mark II, the A7V could sport a multi-angle vari-angle LCD screen, perfect for vloggers, solo creators, and multi-angle shooters. Wishlist features that would elevate the A7V. While much of what we've talked about so far is based on leaks and speculation, here's a realistic wishlist of features we'd love to see. Partial stacked sensor. A fully stacked sensor is unlikely at this price point, especially since those are reserved for flagship cameras like the Sony A9 III and A1 series, but a partially stacked design similar to what Nikon did with the Z6 III would drastically improve performance without inflating cost. True 4K 120 with minimal crop. We need uncropped 4K 60 as a bare minimum, and 4K 120 with a manageable crop would be ideal for slow motion lovers and professionals capturing high motion content. Advanced stabilization system. The IBIS in the A7 IV is decent, but Sony needs to push it further. We'd love to see Active IS 2.0 or even a redesigned in-body stabilization system to better compete with Canon's and Nikon's newer offerings. Better rolling shutter performance for video shooters, especially minimizing rolling shutter artifacts, will make a massive difference in post-production and professional results. Refined ergonomics and lightweight body. Hopefully, Sony retains the compact footprint and user-friendly layout of the A7 IV, but refines the grip and dials just enough to improve long shoot comfort. Dual CF Express Type A and SD UHS-2 slots. Future-proofing. The camera's media compatibility while maintaining affordability is key. Dual card support for both professionals and hybrid creators is a must-have. The Sony A7V could be the hybrid king. The upcoming Sony A7V has the potential to dominate the prosumer mirrorless camera segment. With the right balance of speed, image quality, AI features, 4K video capabilities, and smart ergonomics, this could be the perfect tool for hybrid content creators, event videographers, YouTubers, and commercial photographers who don't want to stretch to the price of a Sony A9 or A1. It's not just about adding features, it's about refining what already works and creating a truly versatile, high-performance camera that bridges the gap between amateur and professional workflows. What do you want from the Sony A7V? This is where you come in. What are your most anticipated features for the A7V? Do you care more about video specs, better photo performance, or AI integration? Would you pay $3,000 for the upgrade? Drop your wishlist, thoughts, or even wild predictions in the comment section below. I'd love to start a conversation around what this camera needs to succeed and whether you're planning to upgrade from the A7 IV or jumping into the A7 lineup. For the first time. If you're still watching, thank you for staying with me to the end. Make sure to like, subscribe, and tap that notification bell if you haven't already, especially if you want to stay up to date on the latest Sony camera rumors, comparisons, reviews, and much more.